The future of firefighting. AI-enhanced drones in action. Welcome back to AI Revolutionaries, the channel where we explore the incredible ways artificial intelligence and technology are shaping our world. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the use of drones in firefighting. Drones are changing the game when it comes to emergency response, especially in situations where every second counts. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech insights. Number 1. How are drones used in firefighting? Prepare yourself for an enlightening exploration into the profound influence of drones on modern firefighting. Drones have evolved into indispensable tools, offering critical situational awareness that often becomes the decisive factor between survival and tragedy. Consider them as the additional pair of watchful eyes that patrol the skies alongside our courageous firefighters. In this segment, we will delve into the intricate ways in which drones are reshaping the firefighting landscape, unearthing the captivating intricacies and vital importance of their role in this critical field. Let's begin with a sobering reminder of the importance of drones in firefighting. In 2016, a devastating fire broke out in Oakland, California, claiming the lives of 36 people in a warehouse known as Ghost Ship. Drones, equipped with thermal cameras, played a crucial role in identifying hotspots and ensuring the safety of firefighters after the blaze was extinguished. This tragic event underscored the rapid adoption of drone technology in firefighting worldwide. It's nothing short of astounding. Across the expansive landscape of the United States, a staggering 900 state and local emergency service agencies have wholeheartedly embraced the incorporation of drones into their operational strategies. What's truly awe-inspiring is that, within this paradigm-shifting wave, approximately 186 of these agencies are intricately entwined with the field of fire and emergency medical services. This colossal and ever-growing trend serves as a powerful testament to the transformative and epoch-making influence that drones are wielding in the sphere of firefighting and the broader domain of emergency response. Departments that are using drones: Fire Services, Emergency Medical Services, EMS Search and Rescue, SAR, Law Enforcement. Number 2. Firefighting drones. How fire departments are using drones. Now that we understand the significance of drones in firefighting, let's delve deeper into how fire departments are putting these aerial assets to work. Imagine a scenario where a fire has erupted in a high-rise building. Traditionally, firefighters would arrive with limited information about the extent of the blaze. But with drones, they can conduct an initial aerial assessment, gaining critical insights into the fire's scale and structural damage before risking their lives. Drones' nimbleness and agility make them ideal for navigating tight spaces that would be hazardous for human responders. They can access areas that would be otherwise inaccessible, reducing risks and improving overall efficiency. Time is of the essence in firefighting, and drones equipped with thermal cameras are game changers. They help identify hidden hotspots within a burning structure, guiding firefighters to focus their efforts precisely where they're needed most. Search and Rescue. Firefighters are often involved in search and rescue missions during disasters. Drones equipped with thermal cameras can scan large areas, identifying people in distress, even in the aftermath of natural disasters like earthquakes. Number 3. Advantages of drones in firefighting. Now let's explore the advantages of using drones in firefighting operations. Time is of the essence in firefighting, and drones shine when it comes to rapid deployment. They can reach the heart of a fire much faster than ground-based teams, bypassing obstacles and navigating challenging terrain. Drones provide a crucial aerial perspective, capturing high-definition imagery and live video feeds. This vantage point helps firefighting teams assess the fire's scale, direction, and behavior, leading to more informed decision-making. Advanced thermal cameras on drones detect temperature variations, uncovering hidden hotspots and smoldering areas. This technology enables firefighters to target their efforts effectively and prevent potential flare-ups. Fires don't stop at night, and neither do drones. Equipped with powerful spotlights, drones illuminate fire scenes during night operations, enhancing visibility, locating hotspots, and ensuring safer maneuvering in low-light conditions. Firefighting is an ongoing process, and drones play a pivotal role in monitoring the progress of suppression tactics. By observing the impact of interventions, drones enable on-the-fly adjustments, optimizing resource allocation. Number 4. Revolutionizing firefighting operations through drone-in-a-box systems. Drones have come a long way, but there's more to their evolution in firefighting. Drone docking stations, or drone-in-a-box systems, are revolutionizing how firefighting missions are executed. These automated stations serve as integral hubs for drone deployment, recharging, data transmission, and storage. They empower drone autonomy to execute critical tasks within firefighting scenarios, from early detection to real-time surveillance and situational assessment. Advanced software platforms enable seamless mission planning, live data analysis, and communication between firefighting teams and drones. This integration allows for a rapid and comprehensive response to evolving fire incidents. Number 5. Flight base advantage. Among these cutting-edge technologies, Flight Base stands out as a groundbreaking solution tailored for firefighting missions. Let's explore the advantages it brings to the table. Firefighters and commanders gain access to real-time HD video feeds through the intuitive Flight Base dashboard. This live visual feed can seamlessly integrate into the command center screens, providing decision-makers with immediate insights. In challenging firefighting scenarios, real-time thermal imaging is a game-changer. The software provides live thermal video feeds, helping pinpoint hotspots, track fire progression, and identify potential hazards. Flight Base's AI capabilities rapidly identify heat signatures and fire patterns within the drone's video feed. This expedites the detection process, minimizes false alarms, and facilitates swifter deployment of firefighting resources. Through Flight Base's workflow module, the software synchronizes with firefighting tools and sensors. This instantaneous integration enables firefighters to make informed decisions promptly and maintain situational awareness. Number 6. How Flight Base users are using drone docks for firefighting. Case studies. It's always inspiring to see real-world applications of these technologies. Let's look at some case studies of how Flight Base users are using drone docks for firefighting. Citimission Belgium has launched a network of 70 safety drones called Sense, supporting police and fire services. These drone-in-a-box solutions can be deployed within 15 minutes of an emergency call, providing high-definition 4K and thermal images enriched with AI. This drastically enhances the speed and effectiveness of emergency interventions. Chad Delude, a fire captain with the Encinitas Fire Department, has developed an aerial monitoring system using Flight Base technology. This system combines state-of-the-art cameras and drone capabilities to detect wildfires faster and with more accuracy. Conclusion. In conclusion, drones equipped with drone-in-a-box systems are revolutionizing firefighting. With their rapid deployment, aerial insights, thermal imaging, and seamless integration into firefighting workflows. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible journey through the world of AI here at AI Revolutionaries. We hope you've enjoyed diving deep into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and all the groundbreaking technologies reshaping our future. As we wrap up today's video, remember that the AI Revolutionaries community is all about staying at the forefront of innovation and learning together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join our ever-growing family of tech enthusiasts, innovators, and curious minds. If you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to explore in future videos, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from you and sharing knowledge with this amazing community.